Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to check whether virtualization-based security is running in Windows 11. Before we begin, let's briefly look at what virtualization-based security is. Virtualization-based security, or VBS, is a Windows security architecture that leverages hardware-assisted virtualization to create an isolated environment that is completely separate from the normal Windows environment and enforced by the Windows Hypervisor. It achieves this by using Virtual Secure Mode, which enables the operating system to establish isolated execution environments known as Virtual Trust Levels. Virtual Secure Mode, or VSM, is a set of hypervisor capabilities that enable the Windows operating system to create isolated execution environments known as Virtual Trust Levels or VTLs. The VTL architecture is hierarchical, with higher trust levels being more privileged than lower trust levels. Each VTL represents a distinct security boundary with its own isolated memory space, execution context, and processor state. VTL 0 is the least privileged level, with VTL 1 being more privileged than VTL 0, VTL 2 being more privileged than VTL 1, etc. In the VBS architecture, Windows operates with two cooperating kernels that execute in separate virtual trust levels or VTLs. The Windows kernel executes in VTL 0 and continues to provide the standard operating system functionality, including process scheduling, memory management, device management, and input-output operations. Alongside it, the secure kernel executes in the more privileged VTL1. The secure kernel is responsible for managing the isolated execution environment and supporting security-critical services. Although both kernels are part of the same Windows operating system, they execute in separate trust levels, with the Windows Hypervisor enforcing strict isolation between them to prevent the normal Windows kernel and other software executing in VTL 0 from accessing or modifying the secure kernel operating in VTL 1. Virtualization-Based Security, or VBS, was first introduced with the initial release of Windows 10 version 15.07. Virtualization-based security is available in Windows 10 and Windows 11, including the Home, Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions. On clean installations of Windows 11, virtualization-based security is enabled by default when the device meets the required system requirements. Now, let's check whether the virtualization-based security is currently running on this Windows 11. Open the Start menu and type System Information in the search box. Then, select Run as Administrator to open System Information with administrative privileges. If you're prompted by User Account Control, select Yes to allow System Information to run with administrative privileges. Once the System Information window appears, make sure System Summary is selected in the left pane. Then, in the right pane, scroll down and locate the entry labeled Virtualization-Based Security. If the value is running, it means virtualization-based security is currently running on the system. If the value is not enabled or displays another status, it means virtualization-based security is not currently running on the system. And that's it. We have successfully checked whether virtualization-based security, or VBS, is currently running in Windows 11 using the built-in System Information tool. Using the built-in Windows tools, you can quickly verify the VBS status without installing any third-party software. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.